everybody. My name is Suicidal Potatoes, and this is my sister.
Hello.
Very nice. As you can see, it's already getting dark, and we're in a new world, but I guess this is just gonna make the video all the more interesting. Ooh, that music. It's too loud. It's too loud.
So now we have to wait.
Do we have to wait? Or do you want to just go down there?
I mean, like, I can already make a bed.
Oh, okay. That's not bad.
I got some wool, some food, and some flowers, so I can have my bed.
Right? Good idea. We're in a giant tree. Ooh.
I kind of.
That's interesting.
Well, hey, we got.
Oh, wow! Hey!
What's good?
This is Deletede&Areanna, my brother.
I'm back.
Hey, he's back, I guess.
Oh wow, this is a big tree.
Ooh, that's a big fall.
We're gonna make a tree house.
Yeah?
We're gonna do that.
You guys want to make a tree house?
Yeah, we'll do it this time. It's gonna be lit.
Tree house.
Do you want to try and find, like a jingle?
Oh, who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
Not us. We're living in a tree.
I'm kind of trapped here, and there's a zombie by me.
Oh, man.
Oh, that was by me, so I feel.
There's a zombie next to me.
Yeah, that's the zombie that was trying to.
And also an enderman's killing me.
For real?
Legit.
I'm really spooked.
I know.
Major spooked.
Very intense.
Huh? I'm over here chopping down a tree.
No.
Was that me?
Yeah. Do you want me to turn on?
Don't.
Okay, there you are, Tears.
Hello.
Oh, that's not purple, that's a pink flower. You know, oh shit, I'm not gonna do it. Bye.
Ariana, attack the enderman.
Oh my god, there's two. What?
Wait,
there's
two of them?
three.
What?
There's three.
What? There's 97.
Oh, this is super
I'm
spooky.
attacking. Game hacks.
No.
I'm trying to get some color.
Game-
Pink!
I'm going at him.
Purple.
Yep, I got some. I'm getting purple flowers.
That's pretty good.
Yeah. If you want a pink Tears?
Sure.
Okay. Helen, you're gonna have the normal red, cause fuck you.
Do you have a?
Cause fuck
Do you
you.
even have Reddit on you?
No.
Then how am I gonna get a red bed?
I'm not talking about you. Oh wait, I am talking about you.
Zowie.
You
Gonna find
okay?
it.
You.
Wait, stop.
I'm not touching you.
You touching me? I don't like it.
The fuck?
Harass me.
Drama.
Hey Ariana,
What?
I have this zombie distracted. You wanna kill it?
I think I'm lost. Am I lost?
You're gonna die, boy.
I don't want.
Today, not you.
You want a yellow bed? Helen, you want a yellow
Give me
bed?
a fucking yellow.
You want a yellow bed?
Give me a yellow bed. Give me it. Give me it.
I don't have a
Give me it good.
I only have
The fuck?
Shut up.
Yeah.
You know what?
Hi, bitch.
Nothing's
Okay.
better than beating a zombie with your fist.
There's a witch, and I don't know where to go.
Ooh.
Ah, zombie!
Ooh.
Ah, zombie! I don't want to die! I have too much good
Where are you? I have too much good stuff.
Look.
Yeah, this game is dangerous.
Very.
Ooh, it hurts. My
Very
bones.
dangerous.
That's pretty fast.
Okay, sorry.
Ooh.
They're not catching me slipping. Okay, I see a name tag. And another one.
I traveled somewhere the other day. It's called Lag City.
They're not catching me slipping.
Ooh.
What?
What?
Don't understand.
I'm just trying to jump up.
What are you talking about?
We're not talking about anything, honestly. We're talking about the texture of these leaves. They're just terrible.
So how do I make a dye bed?
All you have to do...
Just follow damn train, CJ.
No, you take the bed, and then you put it with the dyes in the crafting bench.
No. You place down the bed, and then you...
Oh, you add the dye to it. Oh,
Yeah.
okay. That's easy.
Simple.
Super simple.
No, you put wool, and then you make the bed.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
And?
Question of the year. And?
So I have a bed now. It's a purple. Everyone should know about this. Everyone! Where's Nancy? I'd rather... Stop kicking me! No wonder
You
why
stop
you
kicking
think...
me!
No wonder why you think I'm touching you. Cause you're kicking me!
You guys are
Stop
gay.
kicking me!
Oh my god.
I'll kick you.
He kicked me, Tams, for no fucking reason.
I'll kick you.
I heard that.
I'll kick you.
Shut up, Cullen. Stop. Shit. Wanna get your ass beaten on YouTube? Oh, there's a fucking skeleton. I'm gonna kill you. Kill you. Come here. Come here, you little shit. No, that's not on my farm. There you go. I had the tiger.
This farm knows us.
I got a bow. Oh no, another one. Oh no, I'm gonna bite the dust. I don't
I don't know
want.
about you guys, but I'm legit gonna make some hard for this treehouse, because houses are cool. Setting. Maybe this tree breaker. Oh, this little bitch.
You can't fucking get me, bro. No, come here. No. You're running away. Okay. Oh, oof. Yes, I got it. Cullen, don't touch that. That's mine.
Kill him! Tansy! Fine, don't help me.
Sorry, I had.
You Yes!
I'm better at archery.
You took my fucking arrows. That's why the zombie's going after you.
Really? That's good. That means someone wants me. I've never had that
You
before.
did.
Wow, that was your fault.
No, you did, Ariana.
Where are you?
What is going on?
Where are you, Ariana?
I'm at one part.
What?
I'm so tired of your shit. Okay, Cullen. Okay, good. Thank you, Cullen.
No!
Oh, look. There's a skeleton.
Where's it? I'm gonna freaking maul him.
Don't go over there, Tams. My stuff's over there.
Oh, I wanna kill him. I wanna kill him with kindness. You took all my shit?
No, I took
No, Cullen.
Oh.
Me? No, I was all here.
Fuck you, Cullen.
Oh,
Help me, Ariana. Help.
After me, so I can't.
Okay, I killed it. You're lucky this time. Take all my shit.
Me?
No, Cullen.
No, he didn't. Shut up.
He probably did. Liar.
Why did you
Where's the witch?
Ariana, I'm gonna fucking murder you.
Shut up, pussy.
Shut up.
No, you little cunt.
No.
Yeah.
Is that train?
Are you gonna follow it, CJ? What the hell? Maybe not today. CJ's really tired of this whole train following business. Oh, look at sheep. Hey, I mean a cow. I'm pig. Let me,
an apple.
Cullen, give me my freaking arrows.
Anything. Shut up.
Let me see your screen then. Okay. I don't understand where it went then. Did you take it, Ariana? Do you have bows? I mean arrows? I got suspicious.
You didn't just pick them up?
What?
You didn't pick them up?
I mean, I don't see anything. I don't see any other items. Okay, I found them.
Congrats.
No.
It's a boy.
No, it isn't. The fuck?
What's down here? What's going on?
I am what you call autistic. I have no tools.
No, you're just ignorant.
Maybe.
Okay, so we need to start getting our tools together, and we're gonna get a lot of wood, and we're gonna make a treehouse. Correct?
Yes. I'm good at making this.
Are you making your one by
I
yourself?
don't know if you guys want to.
Are you gonna make a treehouse for yourself?
Sure. I mean, you guys can come by.
Did you want to live with me?
Sure.
She wants to live by herself.
You want to live by yourself?
I don't know. I don't care. I'll live with you.
Cool. Fuck fella.
You know what?
Never mind, I'm kidding.
You know what? I'm fucking tired of you.
I didn't even do anything.
Oh yeah, you did. You did respect. Don't disrespect your brother.
It's Christmas.
Yeah. And there's 12 days of that shit.
When we were at,
Rapids Water Park. What?
when we were at Goodwill, we
Oh yeah, that place.
a record of 12 days of Christmas.
Yeah, I know. It was bad. We also found some.
Were you at Goodwill today?
Yeah.
What?
I asked Mom if I went to bars. She's like, oh, can't spend any money. And then you guys said,
What the fuck? We went to see if they had chips.
shit.
I didn't even buy anything from there. Why is it any of your damn business where I go? We just went. Wow.
I thought you were.
Wow. Why would Mom lie to you? You expectations of her. You just want to get mad at her.
No, what the fuck?
Okay. Whatever you say.
I was just confused. Cut that part out.
No, I'm not.
You a dick.
Shut up, you eat a dick.
Not really.
And I'm gonna enjoy it.
What? Hey,
What?
there's a horse. Hey, I want an apple. Give me apples.
I got apples.
Can I have them?
Oh, hello, horse.
Ow! Move. This is my horse.
Oh my god.
Move.
Your high horse.
Seriously, pull that stick out of your ass, bro.
Yep, mine. Ariana, I swear to God, I'm at one. I'm at half a heart.
Oh no, I'm at 1/2 heart. Shit, that's... What the fuck? Where did the crafting bench I made go?
It's over this tree.
Whoa.
Oh, okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Already, kind of.
No, it's writing you.
Okay,
What the hell?
no, don't eat the
What's going on?
Is it lagging?
it's broken.
Your horse is broken.
This is really depressing, guys.
What?
Everything, just this life. I can't find that fucking crafting bench. But it's okay. I'll probably watch this later and feel stupid because of where I put it.
That too.
Oh, did you destroy one in here? Oh man, it must be gone then. And I'm just on a wild goose chase. Guess I'll make another one.
Horse,
Another one.
fuck off. Oh my.
Oh my god! He nose breathing.
This bitch.
Rage quit now?
Shut up.
I'm sorry. Yeah, whatever. I see? Ooh, over here. I see mushrooms. I see yellow trees.
Please, here.
Why?
Go, go. God. Please,
Who's staying where?
Go.
Wait, have I died this recording yet? Yes, I have. Which is highly sad. Okay. Okay, so I got my crafting bench. There. No, your place trash. There. What? Okay.
So,
Yup, what's up?
what's going on? So, when are we gonna start building? Oh,
I think I'm gonna get a little bit more, I hear a zombie near me. Dying. I'm spooked. What the heck? Cole looks weird. It looks like a person.
what?
Hmm.
No.
Bow, bow, bow. You guys are too quiet.
Okay.
Me, you don't talk.
Me?
Yeah.
I don't talk enough?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ow.
Nice. I focus on the game too much sometimes.
Yeah, that's what I'm
Yeah.
doing right now.
This game's too fun.
I already got iron and stuff.
Congrats.
That's
I
really
already
good.
got a horse.
Coal.
I have iron too.
I have a lot of coal.
So much smoother if we had just waited. But whatever.
What do you mean? Waited.
At the beginning? Or I had just started recording earlier?
Oh yeah. I waited for that asshole.
Shut up.
He was just trying to do something. Don't gotta get so mad about it though. Snub him.
Ah, I'm an idiot!
What?
You punched
I
it?
wasted my iron.
Congrats.
Oh, there's iron right here. By a torch. Not good.
Now I never wanna freaking cut down the white trees because of how pretty.
Ow!
You okay, bro?
No. I need
Wait, what'd you say, Ariana?
to make
Oh, nothing. I just said it's fine. I
Tansy.
second guess it.
What's mysterious?
I found 3 blocks of iron by
Tansy, please don't hit me.
so
Don't get near me. What the hell?
oh god.
Stay away from me. I'll hit you if you come near me.
Yeah.
Sweating.
Yeah.
What?
Whoa! Ariana, you okay? I think you need to take your pills. You need to eat some ass. I have an apple.
Eat that ass to chill it out? Excuse me?
Yeah,
Ma'am?
pills.
Shut up, Cullen. You need to stop smoking dick. I'm sorry, Cullen.
There you go.
Yeah, I'm not. Never cooking.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, winning suicide.
Oh, why is this horse in a hole?
Because I put him in there.
Animal
So he
abuse.
doesn't go away.
Someone called Peter.
I love him.
Peter loves him too, but not the abusive way you love him. Peter is it's an animal abuse place. They see animals. Like Tyson. You know? Have you heard shit about Tyson? There's all kinds of terrible stuff.
Yeah, pick up the dirt.
You fucking pick up dirt. Yeah, no, I already did. Oh, this is gonna get fun again.
I would like to see it.
Why does it feel like it's lagging again? Okay.
There's a sheep and I got
Yeah, we have literally no house.
but I got some more.
Well, I have a tree house up here.
I can make another bed. So that's pretty cool.
Yeah, that is.
So who wants a bed?
I guess I do.
Okay. Gotcha. You want it? What color do you want? Pink?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Wait, do you have any other colors?
I have red.
Okay. Voice sounds weird right there.
You want pink or red?
What?
Her voice sounds weird right there. You okay? A little bit dick in your mouth?
Shut the fuck up, Cullen. You talk way too much shit.
Ew.
No. Don't laugh. You're the one getting bullied.
Oh shit. Fuck.
Who did? Ooh, ooh.
Did someone hear that?
What was that? An explosion?
Pink or
Who did that?
Can't see pink or red.
Man, why are you so close to my house?
Red. Ooh, I died. Oh, that hurt.
Wait, why would you want a red bed if red is the original color?
No,
Because
the original color is white now. If you have white wool.
That's not what I mean. In the whole fucking game. Before we
that's not what I mean.
And she still likes it. She likes the original.